This is the Coleman heater. It actually was way larger than I thought it was going to be. And right here, you can't really see it, but I did take a picture and it was like 4,011. So it's a Coleman heater. It's got a blower fan that you can turn on and then it blows into the fire pot. So I'm assuming you can get these to burn pretty clean. So that looks good. You can go down medium, low. If we get this up and running, the fuel catches. Hopefully, I have enough fuel to keep this thing up and running. I forgot my chimney. There you go. Here is the chimney. Here's the cap. I think it's starting to go. There is the fuel. We are gonna shut